Man, sometimes I guess you gotta remember about that Friday afternoon traffic, you dig? Well, I guess this might not be all traffic. It look like an accident going on up there or whatnot. Folks better let your boy over. I like to ask, can I get over? But now what's going on here? Okay, so the ambulance pushing everybody to the right, but the accident is on the left. That's stupid. Like, get out the way of the ambulance, man. Let them go by. Man. Well, anyway, I thought it was Friday afternoon traffic, but there was an accident up here, so hopefully I can get through this and push on down here to Southaven, Mississippi. Yeah. So we can get on down here and see what kind of cars jumping off down here. They got some other stuff going on too, but you know what I mean, the weather's looking like it's gonna hold pretty decent for us, so that's always a plus, you dig? So it's your main man, Really Reels. See y'all in a minute. Spin on up out of here. What's up, it's your main man, Really Reels. I finally got down here to the car show slash cookout slash whatever they got going on here. I don't know, I got the invite, so I said, you know what, I had to come down. And then of course, I had to throw the 392 in the car show. You know what I mean? She looked pretty good. So I cleaned up earlier today. It's a hard job, tough job, but you know, that white is hard to keep clean. But I got it clean, so I'm gonna go hang out, go see what's out here. You know, I'm gonna get y'all some shots of a lot of the vehicles out here. You got a lot of trucks out here. You got a lot of old schools out here. Mustang right here, looking good. Old Chevy pickup right there, real clean, classic. Yeah. Mustang over here. Got that good old Chevelle right here, the SS. You talking about clean on the inside. Clean on the inside, clean on the outside. Seriously. Out here at the Harley dealership down here in Southaven, Mississippi. So we're gonna go here, we're gonna get the hood up, make sure ain't no dust. If it is dust, we're gonna wipe the dust down, and we're gonna get it popping, get it straight. So let me go ahead and do that, and I'll get back with y'all in a minute. Hey man, what's your Instagram, man? Let's get them to follow you, bro.
It's TK_Jeep. HK_Jeep_12.
Okay, all right, I'll make sure that they follow you, man. So where you out here? You out here with your parents, man?
I have my dad.
Yeah, what's your dad driving, man?
65 Mustang GT.
Is that over here? Let me go check it out, man. Let's walk over here and check that out, man. Okay, okay. Classic, huh? I know you help them build, right? I said, I know you help them out with it, right? Yeah? Cool. Look clean.
I know everything about it because I focus on some other cars that we have. Cars that we have.
Okay, alright. That's what's up. What's your name, man?
Hayes Kudis.
Okay, alright, man. Make sure y'all go follow him on Instagram. Make sure you go check him out on Instagram, follow him on Instagram, and tell him Really Real sent you or whatnot, man. Appreciate you, man. Appreciate your input on the car, man. All right, y'all. So like I said, you know, got the hood up right now, wiped down a little bit in there. You know what I mean? So looking halfway, you know, she looking halfway decent. Looking halfway decent. So definitely get some good feedback out here, you know what I'm saying? Always love, you know, when you bring the 392 out and she is clean as she is, you know what I mean? I feel like tap dancing right now because I got so much love so early, you know what I mean? So hopefully we do pretty decent in the car show, you know what I mean? I'm not looking to win or nothing like that, you know what I mean? But it's just, you know, the fact to bring it out here, let folks see it. Maybe I can get some subscribers, you know, to the channel and stuff like that, you know, and you know, I follow everybody back. I subscribe back to everybody. You know, it ain't a big thing. So we are gonna do a little walking around in a minute. You know what I'm saying? And check out the rest of the stuff out here. So make sure that I get y'all on that joint. So we'll spin y'all out of here. Hey, what's your name, bro?
Resides.
Okay, all right. What's your Instagram, man? You on Instagram or?
Yeah, I got two. I've got a truck page. It's Small Truck Society.
Okay.
I've got my main one's Resides 99.
Okay, all right. Well, make sure that y'all go and follow him. I'm gonna make sure I put it on the screen somewhere and in the description. But this is his Jeep Rubicon right here. Hey man, tell me some of the stuff that you did to the Jeep, man. Do a quick walk around for me, bro.
All right, so it's a 2012 Rubicon. I'm not exactly sure what size lift. I bought it as it's
already okay.
But I did measure it. I know it's got suspension lift, a 1-inch body lift. It's on XD Rockstars.
Okay.
Man,
hey, when you can buy a Jeep like this, you're already winning. You know what I mean?
Oh yeah.
You ain't got nothing to do. You know what I mean? You see, you got the Fox lift on it. You got the Rockstar rims on it. You know, got the nice soft top back here, and of course, you know, you got to have a fifth wheel on the back. If you ain't got a fifth wheel on the back, I can't really rock with you like that, you know what I mean? But hey, I can see he got more lights than he know what to do with, though.
Oh,
you know what I mean? So I'm pretty sure there's a lot of off-roading going on.
Actually, there's not.
No? Oh man.
To take this thing off-road, I ain't owned it long at all.
Oh, okay, gotcha.
It'll definitely go through a little bit.
Gotcha. Yeah, man, like she's ready to go though, man. Like she's ready to go. Nice lights, man. So like I said, make sure y'all go follow him. He's getting his YouTube channel up and running. He's getting his channel up and running, so as soon as his channel get up and running, make sure that y'all go and subscribe to his channel. And we can walk around here and see what else is going around, see what's going on. And I'll holler at y'all in a minute. Spin up out of here. You got that muscle, huh, man? Go ahead and hit it again for me, man. I gotta put it on the channel, man. All right, sound good, man. Sound good. Look good too, man. Look good. Hey, little guy's ready to hit the road already. You know what I mean? Like he know what he's doing better than I do. So I had to take some notes from him. We got a ZL1 sitting beside the Daytona. You know what I mean? ZL1, series muscle supercharged and all that. You know what I mean? So you got that slam to the ground over there. Slam to the ground. Yeah. Sounded good. Now, you know, you really never know who you run into down here. You know what I mean? Sounded good. Crazy. Hey, how you doing? Not much.
I'm such a mess right now.
Ah, you good? So I see. I see you brought it out here.
I
did. Looking as good as it want to.
I'm rooting for the best paint job.
Oh.
Mud counts as a paint job, right?
Hey, absolutely. It's like a second layer. So I'm sure if y'all been watching the channel, y'all remember this Jeep right here. You know,
Truck Night in America.
Absolutely. This is the Truck Night in America Jeep that we did the review / intro to Miss Charlene. So she's got an amazing paint job going right now. You know, it's like, you know, bedliner / a little bit of off-roading. You know what I mean? So as always.
So where's your vehicle?
Right there beside that Mustang.
Oh, okay, I see
Yeah.
it. Nice.
Right on. So you can just hit the button again to the shut off. There you go.
Hottest one I've ever revved.
Hey.
That much.
Hey, that's pretty decent. Hey, how you doing, man? What's your name?
Bruce.
Huh? Bruce? How you doing, Bruce?
Good.
You doing all right, man? Yeah? You got an Instagram?
Nope.
No? Okay. That's probably good. Yeah.
You're probably right.
Because you know they get younger and younger now, so I got to check with her, you know. So
You never know.
no, you're absolutely right. Absolutely right.
I'm glad he does.
Yeah, man. I'm trying to get as big as the biggest ones. You know what I mean? So I got my YouTube across the front of the car, man. No problem at all, man. Anytime, man. Come back when you get your license, you can drive it.
The name when I get to know.
Okay, I appreciate you, man. Appreciate you following, man.
So you got your YouTube on the back?
It's on the front, yeah. Mhm.
Take a picture.
I appreciate it.
It's not bad.
Thanks.
Well put together.
Yeah.
But my sister has Instagram.
Oh yeah, your sister got Instagram.
Yeah.
Yeah.
She's 15.
That's a pretty good age to get, you know, social media then, you know. Stay social media free as long as you can.
I tried.
Don't tell them what it'll be like when they get our age.
I couldn't even imagine. Couldn't imagine. Yeah.
I mean, it's blown up.
You dab on them, man. All right now.
Fortnite.
All right. Yeah, looking good, man. Looking good. Looking good. Hey, oh, hey, how you doing?
Happy birthday, darling.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
I'm glad you came out.
I'm appreciate.
Hit him out. Look, hit him up.
I appreciate the invite.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Kingston, if you don't follow Really Real.
Yeah,
you need
absolutely.
to.
Yeah.
Really real?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Instagram?
Yeah.
No, YouTube.
Both of them.
Yeah. Well,
Yeah.
okay, yeah.
I'll pull you out. I'm proud of you, brother.
Yeah, I appreciate you, man. Nice to meet you.
Kingston trains some of
You know, he's
the,
an 8-3 black belt.
Oh yeah?
yeah, Kingston trains
Okay.
some of the
What do y'all
The MMA fighters?
What do you call it?
Yeah, MMA. Yeah.
Jiu-jitsu, kung fu, all the different ones.
Okay. All right. So do you like do it locally and stuff like that?
Yeah, we fight all over. We fight all over, but we fight Memphis, Arkansas, any local cities. We fight.
Oh, okay. All right. Hey, if y'all want to learn how to kick somebody's ass, you know, the Hit Lab. You know what I mean? Hey, you fighting tomorrow night, bro? Okay. All right. So it's safe to say you're gonna kick that ass tomorrow, right? Okay. All right. That's all we need to know. Yeah. A humble ass kicking is what you don't want. You know what I mean?
Check us out. Hit Lab, Memphis, Tennessee, baby.
Hey, Memphis kicking ass out here, so make sure y'all check these guys out. And like I said, that's hitlab.mma. Like that, man. Man, come look at this amazing truck you got here, man.
Thank you, man.
Yeah. Love it, man. Love it.
Nice ones here.
Hey, yeah, man. Ain't nothing like that blackout look, though, man. You black it out, wheels, everything. What year is this one?
16.
2016, okay. Hellcat. Hellcat. Okay. Okay. Beautiful. Camaro. SS. Nice setup in the trunk. Got a light show going in the trunk. Got the suicide doors on it. Definitely a dope spoiler back there. Right now. Hey, what's you gotta tell them your Instagram.
My Instagram?
Yeah.
_Bree_Faith_.
Okay, all right, we make sure they follow you.
Infinity over there.
There's your Infinity?
Yeah.
Okay, all right. See, I can zoom in on the Infinity over there. I think I can, yeah. Hey, y'all see that Infinity right there, right?
Yes,
That
sir.
hottest thing out here, that's hers, you know what I'm saying? So make sure you go and follow her on Instagram. Absolutely. Appreciate you.
I'm gonna have somebody who's following me on Instagram.
Absolutely. We can give them to follow you, you know what I'm saying?
I told them to follow me on Instagram.
Man, y'all know I think I got a twin out here, man. Doggone ran across a scat pack, charge out here. I thought somebody stole my car for a minute and took off riding, you know what I'm saying? What's your name, bro?
Cam.
All right, Cam.
All right.
Appreciate it, man. So you got a nice scat pack there, man. Got the carbon fiber splitter down front here. Right. Clean as a whistle. You know what I mean? Clean. Y'all see that scat B, right? And you look at this carbon fiber right here. You know what I'm saying? This ain't just black. That's that carbon fiber. You know what I'm saying? He got the wheels on them. 392. Of course, the same engine as I got. He got a tinted out. I need to get my front window tinted. That's what I'm gonna do next. I'm gonna get my front window tinted. So, pretty dope, you know what I'm saying? I think that's gonna be my next, getting that splitter down there, I think that's gonna be the next thing that I do, you know what I'm saying? So, I'm thinking I politic with to find out where you got it from. I think it's an AR Racing or something like that. So, I'm gonna definitely, you know what I'm saying, get that splitter action jumping. But it's clean though, really clean. Hey, you know what I just ordered and got is that cat. So we wrapping it up out here, you know what I mean? Dope car show. About to wrap it up. Take the car to the crib, tuck it back in the garage, of course, you know what I'm saying? But they got some dope stuff out here, man. You can see, you know what I mean? Yeah, they got some pretty dope stuff out here. So I'm get ready. Look at that joint right there. So I'm gonna get ready and get up out of here, go fire up the good old 392, you know what I'm saying? And make a little noise out here. So, hey man, it's been a good day, good night, man. You can see that Camaro back there, man. But it's been a good night out here, man. So I'm gonna get up with y'all boys, y'all, you know, stay solid, stay 100, stay 100, stay solid. It's your main man, Really Real, and I'm up out of here. Gonna spin out on you.